Precious family, praise be to God. Yeah, the radiance so the area from yeah, today look what we have. We've finished enjoying the enjoyment. We're breaking it down a little bit. Into no yeah, Richard. Eduane ye deep Christmas ni na bronya ni na ya kakra ohusa you into another media for na dremo. Today is a different section altogether. Okay. So from here I have here lettuce, baked chicken or grilled chicken with tomatoes and mayonnaise. You just season your chicken with any spice of your choice. I'm adding a little bit salt and a little bit of black pepper. Any season of your choice. You know, with the black pepper and then chili kakra a season beer with the beer which me use. Okay, my pan is hot, so I'm grilling the chicken now. Put it in. See now the chicken at I have here scrambled eggs, some berries, scrambled eggs. Just add salt and pepper, black pepper. Any season of your choice. Olive oil. Then we add our eggs. I have here carrots and fish, grilled fish, and then I have here pasta. This is the one I use. The spaghetti is this one, and the carrots is in olive oil. Now we're doing the fish the same way. I'm adding black pepper, a little bit of salt, and chili kakra, black pepper kakra. Use any spice of your choice. Spice via with the via, you just add on. With the fish, I want it hot, so I have this chili oil, a little bit to it for the heat. See, nice. So my pan is ready. I'm grilling that one too. Yep, that's our fish. The mayonnaise, I use the avocado one. Intinia my way in Niminini. Intin. I know, Anna. Yeah, baby, you're going to see. And last one is our whole grain bread or wheat bread. The first one is breakfast and lunch and dinner. Okay, so in between you can eat anything that you want, but it has to be 150 calories. Yeah, calories. Plates for breakfast. And a pie ban. Enwa. Lebi meaning lady food. And we add our leaves. It's covering the bread, but anyhow you want it. Send a penny beer. Next time you're very mayonnaise. Okay. Our chicken. Where is it? Oh, don't fall. Why? About something. This is our lunch. Your toasted bread. Your scrambled eggs. And your berries. Dinner, you have your pasta here. You pour your carrots. You add your fishy. Yep. Precious family, we're done. Our breakfast, lunch, dinner. Done. Fast action. Yeah. So any drink of your choice. You can use water. Remember, water is life. And then any tea of your choice. Thanks for watching. Please don't leave without thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, this is Ahobrasia Kitchen. Stay with us. Don't leave. Love you all.